PLC Network here with another unboxing, this time coming from the company Fibaro, another company out there that specializes in home automation. And what this is this is the button, the popular button from Fibaro. That is pretty cool. We love it, and because it's, kind of like the big red button, it's the biggest joke. It's like you got to put a big red button in your house, and who knows what that's going to light off, especially if you put it out for guests because they're going to be tempted to hit it. But what this is it's a Z-Wave controller pretty much, or excuse me, not a Z-Wave, a HomeKit controller, because this one specifically supports Apple HomeKit, but they also have one for Z-Wave as well. But the one we're looking at today is Apple HomeKit, but it is a controller. It's a button that can trigger multiple scenes in your network. You can set it up for one press, two press, triple press, press and hold, I believe, all sorts of different things. You have multiple different opportunities for various different scenes. And we're gonna open this up. We're gonna see what's inside, show you what's in the box, and then of course, you're gonna go to plcnetwork.net where we'll talk about this later with a full review once it is available. And of course, that information will be in the description below come time. So inside this box, it looks like there's another box, and in this box you have a little sleeve here with instructions. It looks like it pops open this way, and you have the information on the button. You have the, looks like the quick start guide. You have quick manuals and warranty terms. By manuals, it's going to mean multiple language, and it does. You have operating with HomeKit, Fibaro devices, with just kind of it's like just a one-page thing that shows you all the various devices that they have available for HomeKit, including a motion sensor, flood sensor, door window sensor, the Fibaro app, and the wall plug. We'll put that there. And then you have the plug itself, which just pops right out of there. Underneath it, you have a two-sided kind of a foam stick thing, so that way you can just stick it to a surface and it'll stay put. And it looks like that's it. So you got some instructionals, you have a two-sided sticky thing, and the button. And again, it's a home automation controller that works with Apple HomeKit. So once you have it connected to something, you can press it and it can trigger a scene. So you can say, with one press, I want to turn the lights on, or off, or maybe probably on, and then double press will turn them off, or maybe that activates the outer perimeter lights going around your house, or maybe all the lights on the floor, or maybe that triggers music, press and hold, maybe that turns music off. So many different opportunities you can assign to this thing because it's only limited to what you have set up in your home automation system. But again, this is Apple HomeKit. It will not work with Z-Wave, and or any other system unless that system supports HomeKit, which more than likely probably won't because Apple doesn't always play fair with other people. But if you do use Apple, if you're an Apple user, you have the Apple HomeKit set up throughout your house to run your home automation with, this will be a perfect, or should be at least, a perfect addition to your network, because who doesn't want a cool looking button, especially since it's available in multiple colors, which it looks like here it's available in white, black, red, yellow, green, blue, brown, and orange. So if you don't want a big red button to intrigue your visitors with, you can set it up with any color you want, maybe different colors for different things throughout your house, one for each floor. Whatever floats your boat, you can set it up, as long as you have the creativity to create the scene in your HomeKit network. So again, this is Fibaro, this is the button, the HomeKit. It's also available with Z-Wave, and what we're gonna do is we're gonna have a full review on this later on. It will be available with the link in the description below. Once it is available, it will be updated with that information, and we'll go over everything we like or don't like about this product. So check it out at plcnetwork.net, and that's it. So as always, we hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, there is a subscription button below to subscribe to us. And as always, we thank you for watching, and we will see you next time, hopefully. Until then. If you want to stay on top of all the latest and greatest, and or at least the gadgets we cover, remember to subscribe right here. Subscription button. Click it. You're going to want to. There's lots of videos, interviews, previews, all sorts of stuff. Button. Click it.